Hey guys, welcome back. So we are here at the Polynesian Resort for some lunch, but overall we're on a mission today. As you guys know, it's America's 250th anniversary, so there's a lot of stuff going on, and Disney is in the mix as well. So we're gonna try to be on the hunt for some of the special edition America items.
We're looking for all the things America.
America. So here we go. So here we are at the front of the Polynesian. So because we're doing lunch, we're allowed to park here. They did give us a slip for our dashboard though that limits us to 3 hours, but that should be plenty for us to have lunch, pop into Magic Kingdom, and then head on out. So yeah, at the front they have this really nice fountain and waterfalls, and we got the little Mickey down here.
And the Polynesian has an awesome lobby too. It's nice and big and open.
All right, so now we're on the second floor. It's very crowded today, but we're making our way to Kona Cafe right here.
We pre-checked in as we were heading up, so we sat down really quickly. We got a nice table kind of in the front there on the main walk. Here's a look at the menu though. It's all obviously Polynesian inspired items, and I say that just because there is like a burger on here, but you know they has I think a different sauce, and it definitely has a pineapple slice on it, things like that. So but then a lot of sushi and seafood and that kind of thing. We ended up getting I got the spicy tuna roll, and she ended up getting the California roll, and then we got some pot stickers.
So here's my Kona beer, and then here's Mars' pina colada.
Colada.
Oh, colada.
Because it's the lava. It's
Oh,
raspberry.
it's a pina colada.
So here's just kind of an overview and look around of the restaurant, and of course the theming is throughout. It's all obviously Islander, Polynesian. I think a good use of colors. I like the wood features in here. And then this accent wall on the back's nice.
Here's some rolls that he brought out with, and some salted butter. He also brought us a little thing of soy sauce, but I think this is more for our appetizer and our meal. All right, here's our pot stickers that were very awkwardly delivered, and just kind of a weird experience just now.
Here's a look at Mars's California roll.
Well, yours looks so good.
Fresh avocado in there. She said it was really good. My spicy tuna roll was very good. I like the little dollop of like sauce they put on there. It's nice. Here was our final bill. We did get the 18% automatically added because of Mars's Cat's discount.
All right, so we're all finished with lunch.
Oh yeah.
What'd you think?
Delicious. I like it. Well, I like the California roll, but I like that it's very calm and not too loud at this restaurant, and the food is fresh.
Yeah, I thought everything was really good. So the pot stickers were nice, and they're pan-seared, so a little extra crunch to it was real nice, and the sauce was real good.
Definitely dip the rolls in the sauce.
True. Yeah, even our waitress pointed that out too, so it's actually a really good idea. The sauce is good. I'm used to getting the little cup of it, and I made a comment about that while we were eating, but you know what? They put a good amount on it with the drizzle, so well done there. And my spicy tuna roll was good too. I think the only thing that would have been nice is to have a proper cup for the soy sauce and the wasabi. We ended up using the little tray that the soy sauce came on, but
That was really good.
But yeah, the drinks were good, service was real good. They were training a new server, but he did great too. So overall, real good experience here. Real nice lunch.
Oh yeah.
And now we're fueled up and ready to go find some America merch.
America.
All right, let's go. So just to the left of the menu boards, actually, they got,
America.
yeah, in here, they got some America stuff, which is cool. So it's the Aloha Cupcake, and it's got the little flower, and it's all red, white, and blue.
They got the America bacon.
Yeah, they got America bacon.
And America cinnamon roll.
Yeah, that's probably the most fitting thing I've ever seen is America bacon.
Look at that.
And then Mickey cinnamon roll.
America.
The bacon, by the way, is $4.25. So, and it's at this little coffee stand. All right, now we head out the doors through the security check of the monorail, and then to Magic Kingdom. So, monorail red, about to leave the Polynesian. It is about 88 degrees and about 67% humidity today. Plus it rained earlier, so it's a little muggy out. All right, we are in Magic Kingdom. It's actually sprinkling just a little bit.
I did it. here, I've already seen some mega stuff.
A little bit, a lot of bunching up and other things. So here we go. We're gonna start our hunt. All the bunching up, of course, the normal flag. Sounds like we got the barbershop quartet. Oh, I just missed it, but there's some pretty big thunder just now. This may turn into a bigger storm. Got this cool display here. Mickey's a judge, fireworks judge maybe. We got Minnie. So they have this one shirt right here in the Emporium. Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah.
Looks like it's, oh, it's one of these.
$19.99.
Okay, $19.99. Newly painted Cinderella's castle, and then just to the left on the hub, you got this booth, and this is where our first official merch that we're gonna buy is located. Got Sam Eagle and his podium. I'll show you a closer look here. And then with tax, it came to $23.43. They also have Bullseye, by the way. So he's pretty cool, and I like that they gave us the popcorn separate. One, I think you actually get more popcorn because he's not very big, and then two, it's nice because you know, it's not all greasy and stuff. I don't have to wash this later if I don't want to. Which for us, we just kind of use these as decorations. This is part of our 4th of July decoration. He'll sit on a shelf or a table or something and just look cool. But we're gonna walk through Liberty Square just for a moment as we you know, feeling a little patriotic today. All right, it's starting to rain. We're gonna take shelter in the Ye Olde Christmas shop. Unscheduled stop, but they actually have a lot of patriotic merch. That's cool. We got a baseball style jersey and Mickey on the front and the back. You got little ones too. Got this gigantic tote bag. And they got a couple, well, it's like one sweatshirt and one t-shirt, women's t-shirt. You got Mickey and Minnie. I don't know why they didn't pair it, right? Like, the idea is you're supposed to wear them together. I ain't wearing no sweatshirt. Then we got these ornaments up here. So not bad selection for the Christmas store.
So like you could get the thing on the back, so it's like the flag on the front, and then was it the girls that do the hand painting of like your day or your vacation on it?
I like this one. We might have to get this one. Little Mickey ornament. It actually says $2.50 on it.
Oh yeah.
That's pretty cool. So I'm gonna pick this guy up. He's $29.99, and I just realized it lights up.
It lights up.
Firework lights up.
Oh.
Pretty sweet.
For a little tree.
Oh, like a mini tree?
Yeah, and then you have garland that's already put together with the
For those keeping track, 188 days until Christmas. Oh, we passed the Hall of Presidents, which is a great show. A little history of the U.S. presidents. So we have the Liberty Tree here. And then I think this is really neat, is over here they have a replica of the Liberty Bell, but we'll go over there in a second. So on our way up to the Liberty Bell replica, the 13 proud colorful flags flying high today in honor of the original states that would become united under the country's first constitution. And then the replica of the bell, which is really cool. Yeah, we've never been to Philly yet to see the real one, but this one's pretty neat. It's supposed to be exact size and scale. But we did buy the ornaments. And before we head out, we're here on a short trip. We're gonna head to the Harbor Galley real fast for another America treat. All right, just got the alert of severe thunderstorms for the next 45 minutes. But never mind all that. We have a very patriotic and colorful treat. It is kind of like a strawberry shortcake, but it's a mixed berry instead to give the red, white, and blue, or at least the red and blue, I should say. We got blueberries and strawberries and no, just blueberries and strawberries. And they put the whipped cream on top with the sprinkles once they served it to me so that it doesn't go flat. So it looks really good. This came out to $6.38 with tax. So we get the shortcake at the bottom. It's got, I don't know, about an inch thick. Good amount of berries in here. Here we go. Cheers. So the cake's nice and moist, even though it's fairly thick. It's nice, it's not soggy either, so that's good. You always wonder how long it's sitting there. I only got a little bit of fruit, so I want to make a judgment call about that. Of course, the whipped cream is fine, always tasty. And again, I do like that they waited to put it on, so it doesn't go flat on you. Okay, let's see if we can get a couple of the berries here. All right, here we go. I got blueberries and strawberries and a little bit of cake. I lost some of it. I got some of the little stars, so they're crunchy. I wasn't ready for it. But yeah, the fruit's nice. It tastes fairly fresh to me. Now our strawberry season's earlier, so these probably are imported, but still tasted pretty good. The blueberry was nice. So I don't know, for $6, I think it's a nice little treat. And again, just going on with the theme, if you want something fun and colorful, come over to Harbor House while they're doing this little special. Now, actually, I think, unless it's pouring, which I don't think it is, I think we're gonna make our way back to Main Street, run through the Confectionary, and then on our way. Got this cool sign on the way out. I like it. And they got the patriotic music playing and everything. Very cool over here. Liberty Square, I think, can sometimes be overlooked. I highly recommend you give it a moment and check it out. The President's Show is really good. I will say it's about 45 minutes though, so I understand sometimes time is important, but if you have the time, highly recommend watching it.
Any day like today, you could go in there and escape the afternoon storm.
It's true. So it is raining right now, not hard or anything. You kind of see it hitting the ground a little bit. Maybe the bridge is better. You can see it hitting the bridge. But it's not bad. Like I said, there is that severe storm warning, but we get that so often, especially during the summer months. I don't want to go so far to say we ignore it, but we don't actually worry about it. All right, so we're at Main Street Confectionary, and they are also in the patriotic spirit. We got this gigantic M&M cookie. We got our Rice Krispie cereal treat, also with M&Ms. We got our chocolate cookie. We got the popcorn bucket. We got candied apple back there. The marshmallow stick. That one looks cool. Yeah, it looks like a firework. And then these Rice Krispie treats. So very cool. I like it. A lot going on, but I like all the America stuff. So just to go over this, I don't think we've ever explained this, but they have this awesome case out here with all the treats and things. Then when you are ready, you go over there. You pay for it, you let them know what they want, and that's where they ring you up and put your items either in a bag, or if you request them just give it to you, you can. If you want this specialty bucket, and they'll make it right in front of you, so it's nice and fresh, that is at the far end of the store, way down there. And I know we have shown that process to you. Alright, so we are leaving Magic Kingdom. Normally we'd get on the Express monorail, but we got one more task at hand. So we're gonna get on the resort monorail and check out the Contemporary. One more America. It's still sprinkling a little bit, but it hasn't been bad. And for those that are not from here, that's really what you gotta do. Just understand it will stop raining, usually pretty short-lived.
And like right now it's sprinkling, it's annoying, but it's so hot outside that it's nice.
Yeah, it's still 89 degrees, by the way. So that's another thing. For those that are not from here, you may not understand that. Temperature doesn't really drop when it rains here. All right, we are at Contemporary Hotel at the Contempt Cafe. And if you guys notice Edna, I'm not going to point it out in a big way, but all the hotels do something like that. And if you find her, you go to the front desk by check-in, let them know, take a picture of it, let them know that you found her, and you will get a prize. So we are here at the market because we want to check out oh, it's not as big as I thought. So they have a 4th of July cake.
Strawberry lemon mousse with confetti cake covered in a hard chocolate shell. It has low carbs.
Yeah, so you got these ones, and then this one has a cookie on the bottom, or maybe I just can't see the other one, but
yeah, this one's the cheesecake tart.
no,
That's
gotta be that. I think maybe I just can't see the cookie, or these ones don't have the cookie. But these are $6.79, so it's actually what I thought. I thought it was a big one like these. But Contempt Cafe, just while we're here, then you got a lot of great grab and go stuff.
They have overnight oats.
Oh yeah.
And look, they have the Jeffrey's cold brew coffee now.
And then at the end, they even have some beers and ciders and little bottles of wine. Uh-oh, look at this thing. Gigantic
And they're
cinnamon
warm.
roll. Yeah, and they're warm and they're American. Yeah, but I do like this spot. It's really great. I love everything in the atrium here, and the main reason is for this.
See?
All the light that comes through, and then of course the monorail.
I could go for one of these sandwiches, but if they dipped it in dark chocolate and put those miracle sprinkles on it.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
So before we leave the Contemporary, we stopped in their little shop, look at the merchandise, and they actually had another case of treats. So here's some more America treats.
All right, this is awesome. I'm not sure why, but it's just really great. I think they need to do this to the real monorail. Gigantic Uncle Sam hat. This is cool. It's $14.99. All right, so we are back at the Polynesian. Mars is getting some coffee from the little stand over here. We did pretty good. So we ended up not buying that extra cake. We don't need it. But it was really great to show you. So I'm really glad that we came over here. Really excited for the 250th for our country. And really excited just to see a lot of different things that all these different companies or places are doing. So that was really cool. All right, so we're over here at the Kona Island Coffee and Sushi, and Mars picked me up a Kona cold brew something with a cream thing and a star. So I normally don't do just cold coffees. Not that I don't like them, I just normally don't. So Mars surprised us with some American bacon. So chocolate dipped bacon and drizzled in red and blue like candy coating. So yeah, this is a little treat before we head off for the day. All right, so yeah, it is really good. Like Mars said, it's on the mild side, and the cream helps, just makes it nice. It's a little sweet, but not a lot. Just I'm saying it's not like bitter. Yeah, so you know what? Nice job. This is pretty good. So we'll sip this on our ride home. But actually, this does wrap it up for us. So I think we'll close out here. Thank you guys for joining us on our little adventure. Yeah, to get our America merch and items, and just show you guys what the parks are doing to celebrate our nation's 250th anniversary, which we're really excited for. So
we started in Hawaii and ended in Hawaii.
That's true.
It's one
So
of the 50 states.
that's right, the last one. So anyways, it's been a great 250 years. Hopefully another 250 more. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Until next time, bye-bye.